The star Betelgeuse, a red supergiant found in the sublime cluster of Orion, has long enchanted stargazers and cosmologists alike because of its sheer size and brilliance. If Betelgeuse were located where our Sun is, it would reach the orbit of Jupiter, highlighting its enormous size. Despite being situated around 642 light-years from Earth, its massive size makes it one of the brightest stars visible to the naked eye. Recently, Betelgeuse has displayed unusual behavior, such as unexpected dimming and brightening cycles, which many experts believe signals that the star is nearing the end of its life. The prominent physicist Brian Cox recently offered a direct explanation. Betelgeuse is on the verge of a tremendous event expected to occur within the next 14 days. This event, known as a supernova, will mark the end of Betelgeuse's life, but will provide a remarkable opportunity for scientists to study one of the most fascinating and powerful phenomena in the universe. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is classified as one of the largest and most massive types of stars. It has been on astronomers' radars for decades, but its recent erratic changes in brightness have fueled speculation that it is preparing for a cosmic explosion. When a star like Betelgeuse reaches the end of its life, its core collapses under its own gravity, leading to a massive explosion that releases an enormous amount of energy, radiation, and stellar material into space. Betelgeuse's impending explosion is expected to be a Type II supernova, a specific type of stellar explosion that occurs when the core of a massive star collapses. This core collapse triggers the release of neutrinos and radiation, creating a shockwave that destroys the star. The explosion will be so bright that it may be visible from Earth without telescopes, possibly even outshining the moon in the night sky for weeks or months. While such an event wouldn't typically be destructive if it occurred near Earth, Betelgeuse's distance of approximately 642 light-years means that although the explosion will be visible and dramatic, it poses no threat to life on our planet. Nonetheless, the event promises to reshape our understanding of cosmic explosions and other galactic phenomena. A supernova is one of the most powerful events in the universe, releasing more energy in seconds than the Sun will emit over its entire lifetime. Betelgeuse's explosion won't just be a spectacular display but also a significant moment for science. Experts are eager to observe this captivating event from its earliest stages using various ground-based and space-based telescopes, including the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, to gather as much data as possible. When Betelgeuse explodes, it will emit a vast range of radiation, from visible light to gamma rays. One of the most critical aspects of the supernova will be the surge of neutrinos, elusive subatomic particles that rarely interact with matter. Neutrinos from a supernova can actually reach Earth before the light from the explosion due to their ability to pass through almost everything unaffected. Observatories like Japan's Super Kamiokande and the Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory in Antarctica are preparing to detect these neutrinos, providing an early advantage in observing Betelgeuse's final moments. The explosion will also provide essential insights into the formation of heavy elements. When stars explode, they produce and disperse elements like iron, gold, silver, and uranium, materials essential for life as we know it. Studying Betelgeuse's supernova will give scientists a clearer understanding of this element creation process, which is crucial for understanding planet formation and the chemistry of the universe. While Betelgeuse's supernova isn't expected to have harmful effects on Earth, it will interact with our planet's atmosphere and magnetic field in fascinating ways. The energy burst from the explosion, particularly the release of gamma rays and charged particles, could result in more intense auroras, expanding the regions where the northern and southern lights are visible. However, these gamma rays could temporarily affect satellite communications and some technologies on Earth, though the disruptions are expected to be minor and brief. Perhaps one of the most exciting aspects of Betelgeuse's explosion is that it will be visible to everyone on Earth, not just professional astronomers with advanced equipment. For a month or even longer, Betelgeuse is expected to be the brightest object in the night sky, possibly even visible during the daytime. This spectacle will captivate both seasoned scientists and amateur astronomers, sparking renewed interest in space and the universe. Scientists have long hypothesized about Betelgeuse's demise, but Brian Cox's recent statement adds urgency to the situation. Observatories around the world are preparing to monitor every stage of the supernova, and the data collected will be crucial, potentially transforming our understanding of stellar evolution, supernovae, and the distribution of heavy matter in the universe. Betelgeuse's supernova will allow researchers to refine their models of massive star behavior. Being relatively close to Earth, it offers a unique opportunity to measure how energy from such an event travels through space by observing the light and radiation from the explosion as it interacts with the interstellar medium, the gas and dust between stars. Astronomers will gain a clearer understanding of the universe's scale. The event will also provide a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to explore dark matter and its impact on the structure of the universe. Dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up about 85% of the universe's mass, does not emit or absorb light, making it challenging to detect. However, observing how light and matter interact around Betelgeuse after its explosion could provide indirect insights into dark matter's role in the universe's large-scale structure. Betelgeuse's supernova will also bring us closer to understanding the life cycles of stars, particularly how massive stars contribute to the creation of elements essential for life. Supernovae are critical cosmic events responsible for spreading heavy elements throughout the universe, elements that eventually form new stars, planets, and even life itself. The cultural significance of Betelgeuse's explosion is also important. For millennia, humans have looked to the stars for guidance, inspiration, and meaning. The disappearance of one of the most prominent stars in the Orion constellation will spark philosophical reflections on the transient nature of the universe. In some cultures, such celestial events have been interpreted as omens or signs of significant change. Betelgeuse's explosion may inspire a mix of awe, wonder, and curiosity as people from all walks of life witness the death of a star. This grand event is likely to reignite interest in space exploration and cosmology, drawing more people into the quest for knowledge about the universe. Amateur astronomers are already preparing for the event, as modern technology allows nearly anyone with a camera or telescope to observe and document the supernova. This democratization of science will unite people around the world, all watching and recording the same extraordinary phenomenon from their unique vantage points. Betelgeuse's supernova won't just be a visual spectacle but also a significant scientific achievement, shedding light on the interconnected processes that govern the universe. The elements produced during such stellar explosions, iron, gold, carbon, and others, serve as the building blocks for new stars, planets, and life itself. Observing the supernova will offer insights into the recycling of matter in the universe, demonstrating how life as we know it owes its existence to the deaths of previous generations of stars. This event will also allow space experts to test their theories about stellar astrophysics and the mechanisms behind supernovae. By comparing data from Betelgeuse's explosion with existing models, scientists can refine their understanding of how massive stars evolve, explode, and impact their surroundings. This is especially important for predicting the fate of other stars in our galaxy, some of which may also be nearing the end of their lives. Despite its scientific importance, Betelgeuse's supernova is expected to capture the global imagination. The sudden disappearance and dramatic explosion of a star that has been visible in the night sky for centuries will serve as a powerful reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. It may inspire a new generation of stargazers, scientists, and space enthusiasts, encouraging a renewed interest in cosmology and exploration. Educational institutions and observatories around the world are already planning outreach programs centered around this event. From live-streamed observations to public talks and workshops, the supernova will become a focal point for scientific education and engagement. Its visibility to the naked eye will make it accessible to everyone, allowing people of all ages and backgrounds to share in the wonder of this monumental phenomenon. Moreover, Betelgeuse's explosion may help address some of the universe's most enduring mysteries. Observing the interaction of the supernova remnants with interstellar gas and dust could offer clues about the distribution of matter in space and the processes that lead to the formation of new stellar structures. It could also provide indirect evidence of dark energy, the mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe, by showing how light and radiation from the explosion travel across vast cosmic distances. As humanity stands on the cusp of witnessing such a captivating and pivotal event, Betelgeuse's supernova serves as a reminder of our place in the universe. Stars like Betelgeuse have been crucial in the creation of the elements that make up Earth and life itself. Their life cycles, from formation to supernova, are integral to our ongoing understanding of the cosmos. As we witness Betelgeuse's supernova, it will not only be an opportunity for scientific discovery but also a moment for reflection on our connection to the cosmos. Stars like Betelgeuse have played a central role in the creation of the building blocks for life, and their explosive death will ultimately give birth to new stars, planets, and perhaps even new forms of life in the distant future. The explosion of Betelgeuse may also spark new conversations around the nature of time, existence, and the future of our own solar system. Understanding how the death of such a massive star influences the space around it could provide insights into how other stars, including our Sun, will eventually meet their end. For the scientific community, Observing Betelgeuse's supernova could provide valuable lessons that might one day be applied to understanding the life cycles of stars within our own galaxy, helping us predict the fates of other distant stars. Furthermore, Betelgeuse's supernova could contribute to the advancement of technology. As we study the way the explosion impacts space, researchers may discover new ways to monitor and measure stellar phenomena. These advancements could lead to better instruments for exploring distant galaxies, enhancing our ability to understand the complex dynamics of space. The event will also ignite philosophical debates about the role of humanity in the grand scheme of the universe. As people around the world turn their gaze to the night sky, many will find themselves contemplating the fleeting nature of stars, life, and the universe itself. Betelgeuse's supernova will be a cosmic reminder that everything, from the smallest particles to the largest celestial bodies, is subject to the forces of change, and that our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. In addition to the scientific and philosophical implications, Betelgeuse's explosion will likely have cultural reverberations. Throughout history, celestial events have shaped mythologies, folklore, and human imagination. The supernova will undoubtedly inspire a range of cultural expressions, from art and literature to music and film, as people process the profound significance of such a rare occurrence. In this way, Betelgeuse's death could contribute to the cultural and artistic legacy of humanity's engagement with the cosmos. As we await the spectacular display, Betelgeuse's supernova will be a reminder that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of wonder. For the scientific community, it will be an unparalleled opportunity to learn more about the